In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark correct answers on Google Forms. Google Forms is a powerful tool for creating surveys, quizzes, and questionnaires. Being able to mark correct answers is essential for quizzes as it allows the platform to automatically grade responses, saving you a lot of time and effort. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to set this up effectively. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Forms, which you can easily find by doing a quick Google search or by going directly to forms.google.com. Once you're there, if you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in using your Google account credentials. After signing in, you'll see an option to start a new form. Click on the blank template to create a new form from scratch, or choose a pre-made template that fits your quiz or survey needs. After your form opens up, you'll notice the interface is clean and straightforward, which makes it easy to navigate. Start by giving your form a title and, if you wish, a description to make it clear what the form is about. This helps respondents understand the purpose before they dive into answering questions. Next, you'll begin entering your questions. Use the plus button on the right side of the screen to add a new question. Select multiple choice or checkbox for questions where you intend to mark a correct answer. Once your question is set up, click on the Answer Key option that appears below the question. This is where the magic happens. You'll designate which answer is correct. Google Forms also allows you to assign point values to each question. This feature is handy if you want the quiz to be graded automatically. If you're working on a more substantial quiz, you might find it convenient to organize your questions into sections. Use the Add Section button on the toolbar, giving your quiz a structured flow. Each section can handle a different topic or type of question, making the quiz easier to navigate for respondents. Once all your questions are in place and you've marked the correct answers, it's time to review your form. Click on the eye icon at the top right corner to preview your form as a respondent would see it. This is a great opportunity to double-check everything, ensuring there are no errors or overlooked details. Before you send it out into the world, consider the settings that affect how responses are collected and how you'll review them later. You can adjust these settings by clicking on the gear icon at the top, where you can choose who can respond, enable or disable the collection of email addresses, and more. Now, your form is ready to go. Share it by clicking the Send button, which provides options to send via email, a link, or embedded onto a website. By following these simple steps, you ensure that your Google Form quiz is set to automatically grade itself, making the process smooth and efficient. Happy creating!